Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the hardware and app ready. Put your Apple Watch snugly above the wrist bone so the optical sensor can read blood flow. Loose bands cause errors. Once done, wake the watch and open the Heart app, red heart icon, or use a heart complication on a face to jump in faster. You do this now because accurate contact and the correct app make the difference between a usable reading and noisy data. You'll tap the Heart app to see live BPM. Hold still for about 10 to 15 seconds so the sensor can stabilize and filter motion artifacts. If you want continuous tracking during exercise, open the workout app and start the proper activity. This forces more frequent measurements. Make sure your arm is relaxed and the watch face is toward your chest when checking resting rate, because motion and poor angle increase noise and can lower accuracy. You finish by reviewing and saving results. Open the Health app on your iPhone to see trends, averages, and exported data. If the Heart app won't show numbers, try force restarting the watch and make sure watchOS is up to date. These steps clear software glitches. If readings still look wrong, clean the back sensor gently, reseat or swap the band, and retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support. Hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.